In this video, I'm going to show you how to validate your content idea or your keyword ideas. And we start right now. Hi, my name is Usman. So if this is the first time that we are meeting, I make videos like this that help little businesses grow. So if you are interested in growing your business or your blog, then consider subscribing and turning the post notification. So what do I mean by validating your content idea or your keyword idea? First, before you publish any content or go after for any keyword, you have to make sure that people are interested in the topics that you are going after. Now, how to validate your content idea? Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go to Google Trend and copy your keywords that you want to go after, and you paste it on the Google Trend. Let's take an example of a keyword like how to get fit. We copy that and we paste it on the Google Trend. Now you will see the graph. If the graph is going down, it means people are not interested in the keyword you are going after. You can do this in whatever niche you are. Or if the graph is in a straight line, then it means people are still interested in it. Or if the graph is going up, go to Google Trend and know if the people are still interested in your topic. Now, the second tool that you are going to use to validate your keyword idea is BuzzSumo. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Well, what BuzzSumo will do for you is to tell you how many people are sharing the content on social media like Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and even Pinterest. So now let's find BuzzSumo. We type here BuzzSumo. Here it is. Then we search. Now we click on this first one, and now we come here and we'll find content ideas. But you make sure if you want to log in, you create a free account. For me, I have a free account, so I'm going to log in. So here, let's find a keyword here, like for example, how to get backlinks. How to get backlinks. And now we click search. Now you are going to see a ton of ideas here. For example, on the right hand side, you will see the Facebook engagement, you will see Twitter, you will see Pinterest, Reddit, the amount of numbers that is sharing this keyword. For example, like how to get backlinks in 2021. So this will show you this keyword has a value because people are sharing these keywords. So this website will help you validate your content idea. So now I have another alternate also, which is similar to BuzzSumo. It's called Social Animal. So let's go there and see. So here it is. We click here and we click on this first one. Now this one also similar to BuzzSumo. They will help you validate your content idea. So let's type something here like the same thing, how to get backlinks. So now here also you're going to see it, and you're going to see the amount of people that is sharing this content, how to get backlinks in 2020. This also will help you, just similar to BuzzSumo. So use BuzzSumo, Social Animal, and Google Trend to validate your content idea. Thank you very much for staying till the end. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a lovely day. But before you click off this video, you can also comment below and tell me what topic to do next. I will listen to your suggestions, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Salute.